Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Killer Bean game lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuttering issue on PC. So let's jump to the solution. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam user, just click on Steam option, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once your PC starts, now launch the game and check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to modify launch arguments. So for that, you have to go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again. This time type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files is verified, now launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where a game has been installed. Here is the game application. Select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. And after that, launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimization, set on apply and OK, and after that, launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security, click on it. After that, click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. Well, if you cannot find the game, no need to worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game selected, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that, click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it, right click on it and then click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available and after updating the Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and after that, launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. The antivirus program can block the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. Website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download Visual C++ files, open it, you will get repair or install option. Click on repair, click on yes, wait for some time. Once this is over and you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on it, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Killer Bean game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, log into it, and finally reinstall Killer Bean game, and then click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not, or the game is opening or not.